Nigeria army is currently burning Biafra property in Mbano, Imo State, happening now. They say PM will be Simon Ekpa don't send a message again, gift to all the whole secretariat in Biafra land. Send them the last warning that the Biafra Liberation Army will be investigating them to see if they are opening and is going to give them woto. Hello my people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to give this channel a follow and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we will upload, you will be the first person to get that. My people, we are highly welcome. We'll go look into the Ogbonge news we will get for hand today. No be smart in. They say things are really happening. For Imo State now is very hot. Now, what they call war is going on in Imo State, but this one has been a secret war going on and nobody is talking about it. You know, for this our channel here, we are bringing things that happening in Southeast, which is especially in Imo State. A bit smart, you know. They say the governor will be Hope Uzodinma don't go at that place where Biafra Liberation Army neutralized more than 2 healers and sent many of them to judgment and took away their arms. They be smart, you know. They say as it they happen now, as it they happen for there now, Hope Uzodinma don't wear big helmet, enter their company in hands for way, say chai, these people too do sha. Sin talk finish now, I come waka komoto, no be smarting. Mo will go play you the video now Nigeria army carry their healers ammo tanker enter inside the community for Mbano, go set everywhere ablaze. No be smart, you know. I go show you the video how they destroy people's property for there. After watching the video, we'll come back and talk more about that. But you stay tuned and watch the video.
This shop in Hogana, Noriendo, one woman made decoration here. Behind her, classic restaurant and bar owned by Zagobi. Kedi Noriendo Mbano. Nka bo ehime guest house. Steinboard. Le bonkre lo te shebari e bonkre abari where they have for there. I tala ho noboda. Ke ihe nda choro ka ime noboda. Na he nwere victim in a Mbano does not mean na on the Mbano many. Now this is Ema beer parlor. Egwari ogwa Mbano. Batara na yo senye maka. At Oriendo. Mbano known as Ekenko. They were all burned down today by the military men of Nigeria. Leka hasi werengwa ahia mmadụ laya n'iyi. Onye ana ha bịara akụwasha shop ya ndị niile na ha wa mere ihe mere na Mbano. Biko no, anyị taga ahụhụ n'obodo a hapụ nọ ndị mmadụ ka ha ji ike. Ndị mmadụ akwala akwarara tie mkpu n'oke olu na-ajụ sị ha mere gịnị. Lekwe ya shop ndị mmadụ nga ndị mmadụ na-achọ ihe ha na-eri ma ndị kwaga akwa. Ndị akwagacha akwarịga agịdị. Erego ose, erege nnu. Achọga ihe ha na ụmụ ha na-eri, emebishiere ha ihe ha ji eri nnu. Ka otu ha chọrọ ka ndị a were survive again. Ịgbara shop ọkụ, kwa wostu, kwafu ofe. Ka oke chọrọ ka ndị mmadụ were survive n'obodo a. Legodi, agbacha everywhere ọkụ. Ihe awa ime ahịa Oriendo, ma ebe ndị mmadụ na-ana azụ mmanụ. You see, onye ọbụla dịcha stranded. Biko dịka ị na-enweta ozi a na-share this video ka ndị mmadụ na-ama ihe mege n'obodo a, otu esi ataga ya ahụ. Ndị ọzọ mege ihe ebutere ya ndị ọzọ. Anyị tala ahụ n'obodo a. Now here shop Sunshine ebe ọ na-akwa akwa along Umunumo Road na Mbano Oriendo kpọmkwem. Ka ụzọ gawara Rehemi Peace Center Mbano. Ewe shop nọ n'akụkụ ya, one woman nọ. Ebe a ka a na-asa car wash. Atụtụra shop niile nọ n'obodo a gbaa ya ọkụ. Ndị mmadụ nọ n'ime ọhịa webe ndị pụtaga esi n'obodo a. share you on this video. This is Mbano TV reporting. Kandi marna ma ihe mege n'obodo a. Ụmụnne m daalụkwan for Mbano.
Welcome back, my people. As you have watched that video and see how this Nigeria army come and destroy innocent people's shop, the question that we're asking here is it those people who are sewing, the ladies who are trying to survive? Is it those people who are cooking? Is it those shops who are selling drink? Is it those people who are selling provision? Are they the one that neutralize the military? This is the question we're asking. So why are you burning people's shop? Anybody can from any community are come to do something in another community. Those men are telling you that are in the bush. Why can't you go to the bush and start putting fire in the bush for them to come outside like a rabbit than burning people's shop? You see how the injustice is being made on Biafrans every day and the indigenous people in the southeast. If you watch this video and you did not feel this pain, that means you are not a human being. A lot of people will say, what of those they killed? Are they the one who killed the people? Who are they the unknown gunmen? Are they the Biafra Liberation Army? Are they the one who killed the people? The people's shop are being destroyed for nothing. However, na so we see am. Abeg, mo we go look into the message where Simon Ekpa sent to Secretariat in Biafra land. Stay tuned.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans all over the world. This is the 20th day of September 2023. And it is very important, very, very imperative that I bring this short message to the Biafrans. You see, from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. is a curfew in the entire Biafra territory. And from 12 o'clock, every Biafran citizen, every Biafra market, every Biafra businesses will be opened. But you see, Secretariat, Nigeria government secretariat in Biafra land, from the local government to the state, to the federal, must be shut down. It is not from 6 to 12. No, you must be shut down completely. And from tomorrow, be the 22nd, the 21st of September, we are going to be sending investigators to go through all the secretariat in Biafra land. Anyone that open, they will receive message from the Biafra people. Thank you.
Welcome back. As I've watched that video, and here was Simon Ekpa saying the message is sent to Secretariat in Biafra territory. Things are really happening. He say everything we talk for this video. I don't tell them say may they stay clear or say if they try say they go open. No be small thing. He said they go send monitoring spirit to come monitor them. Hey, things are happening. Okay, my people, we'll go look into the tweet where Simon Ekpa Twitter concerning the military men who burned down the innocent people's shop in Mbano. So let us read that what Simon Ekpa talk in this particular thing will happen for there. No be small thing, no. He said this is what the Nigeria government terrorists in uniform know how to do best. Destroying the property of innocent Biafra civilians. When they see Biafra Liberation Army, they run for their life. But when they see civilians, they kill them and destroy their businesses. This is the response of Simon Ekpa regarding this burning of people's property. He said, tell Nigeria government, army, and police that there will be heavy consequences for burning people's property in Mbano, Imo State. This is a message that Simon Ekpa have sent to them. Okay, guys, let's talk about this thing that happened in Mbano. You know that this have become the culture of Nigerian military. But if this thing has happened in outside Nigeria, outside country, They can't burn anything. You can't see the military troop in and start burning. No. You can't burn anything. Maybe they may hold the community stage, try to look if they can do some investigation. Because even someone passing in the road, maybe that person is not even in his territory, is in another community. It can cause anything there around. That doesn't mean that the military men will pump in and start harassing people over there. This world is moving faster, and those people who are recruiting those guys should lecture them very well. They should do more professional job. This is totally unprofessional, because the people you are burning their shop didn't commit anything. Even the guys who did it come outside and say that the ones who did it. Then I'm going to check out our next video for you to watch that episode where they said everything. They sent a clear message to them. Look at where we are. Come this area. Let's grade that small. Let's say change granite. But you guys won't go there. But you prefer going to the village, burning shop around the road. And the governor will not say anything about this. So you are creating more monster. We'll be saying this thing for a long time. You are creating more monster, because those guys who own the shop will join them. And definitely when they are standing you, they stand you with all faith, without fear, because their livelihood have been destroyed by you. I've said this in so many times. With this, we will create the monsters that you will hear of them, you start running. Okay, my people, let me leave you to contribute in this particular thing. Leave a comment below and tell us what you think about this thing that Nigeria have been doing, and for the message that Simon Ekpa have sent to Secretariat. So please don't forget to share this video. Very, very important. Share this video. Share it. Very, very important. Okay. Thank you for watching.